Hi everyone. So today I wanted to talk about why every cent matters, because what I do is that I talk about, for example, I talk about XRP. I say that XRP is going to move from 52 to 51 cent and 50 cent. And then I see people making jokes about it that, oh, 1 cent movement doesn't matter or 2 cent movement doesn't matter. And they say it's 1 and 2 cent. Why are you making videos? They don't understand crypto to begin with, which clearly shows by their comments, but I wanted to show you through pictures and text messages, and of course I'm going to explain why does it matter. So as you can see, this is today, October 20, and as it pumped, and I mentioned that in the video that XRP always pumps towards 52 cents and then it starts dropping. So you can see it pumped to 52 cents. So he took a trade, shorted it, and he left the short at 51 cent almost. So it's just 1 cent movement, but how much profit he made is 52 cents. 52% of profit just because of 1 cent drop in XRP and not more. And this is exactly what I commented over what I'm explaining in the video. So every cent matters because you can make 50% profit just because of 1 cent movement. And this is not a leverage at 100x or 120x. It's only a 25x leverage, 20x leverage. You're not using crazy leverages. These are small to medium sized leverages that a person can use. And this is exactly why I talk about half a cent, and I say that it's going to go to 50.5 and then 51, 51.5, 52. I go cent by cent because I know how it moves, and that's why I come out and share. And of course, those who know how to trade, they take it. Those who don't, they continue to make jokes and they don't make any money at all.